Hello, this is a 20-year-old washing machine that started to leak. A sudden leak suggests some rubber in the washing machine may have been damaged. As you can see, the washing machine was in good condition, so I thought it would be worth checking if I could fix it. In preparation for this assembly, I was looking for repair instruction for this model on the internet. Unfortunately, I did not find it, so I watched a video about repairing another model before disassembling it. First, I disconnected the washing machine from electricity and water before repairing it. Second, I found a leak somewhere in the front of the washing machine. For this reason, I started by removing the bottom front panel. After dismantling it, I found that the front wall of the washing machine cannot be dismantled. As you can see, there was a buildup of detergent on the disassembled panel, suggesting that there was a leak of water through the door during washing or opening the door after washing. So I decided to disassemble and check the door seal. Which required unscrewing the clamp on the tank at the front of the washing machine from the top. To do this, I had to disassemble the top cover of the washing machine and then the top front panel. The front panel was bolted with 4 screws from the inside. In order to remove the panel mounting bottom screws, I had to first unscrew the powder dispenser and the water valve and move the powder dispenser away. Here are the inner clasp of the door seal and the door seal. On the door seal you can see a buildup of coarse sediment, which was causing moisture to persist in the washing machine, especially since the drain from the door seal was blocked by a sediment. Nevertheless, there was no hole in the door seal. Which meant that the leak had to be looked for further. I figured maybe by removing the back cover I could fix the leak. Unfortunately, it was impossible to see the lower front panel of the washing machine from the rear. Well, maybe it can be done from the bottom? To place the washing machine against the back wall, I placed square timber against the sides of the washing machine. Fortunately, you could feel the wet spot from underneath. The leak was in the hose connecting the water pump to the powder dispenser. As we can see, the hose was wrapped by the vibration of the tank. The rubber hose was 1.4 meter long. There was no such part in online stores with parts for washing machines. Lucky for me, it was not a specific product. You just had to measure the dimension of the hose and order it from a rubber parts store. This is what the cleaned door seal looked like. I cleaned the sides of the tank next to the drum with a brush and kitchen washcloth, as well as the place of inserting the door seal drain into the tank to ensure its proper sticking. In order to mount the door seal clamp on the tank, I had to unscrew it and put it under the drain of the door seal with an end. When installing the door seal on the front wall, I turned the clip 180 degrees in relation to the fixture before disassembly, so that the corroded part of the clamp was at the top of the washing machine door. I mounted the purchased rubber hose on the back of the washing machine on the dispenser and on the existing holders on the right wall of the washing machine. After placing the washing machine on its back, I put 2 pieces of rubber cover for the pipes on the hose from underneath. Then I tied these covers to the front wall from the bottom, in the first case using the existing cut in the sheet, and the second case by drilling an additional mounting hole with a spiral drill. I found it risky to install the existing pipe folders to the bottom sheet with double-sided tape or glue. The rest of the elements were assembled in the reverse order of disassembly. In order not to miss something during the repair, before disassembling the elements, I take photos or make a film, and I arrange the specific groups of screws separately. Before assembling the front panel, the top worktop and the back cover, I check that the electric wires were not damaged and are in the appropriate holders and at suitable distance from the washing machine tank. This is what the washing machine looked like after the repair. For the leak test, I had to wait at least 24 hours for the adhesive to set. I connected the washing machine in the yard to the garden hose so that a possible leak would not flood my apartment. For the first time, I turned on the washing machine empty without any detergent. There was no leakage, so I checked the washing machine for the second time with a full load to exclude effect of any vibrations. After washing, I checked the condition of the pump filter during the repair due to the possible disturbance of sediments in the tank. I also cleaned the water filter at the valve due to the contamination in the garden hose. When reinstalling the washing machine in the bathroom, I will adjust the feet of the washing machine properly so that there is no vibration and that the washing machine does not tilt forward due to the slope of the floor. The repair materials, hose plus glue with the delivery, cost me about $15. The repair with the leak test took me 3 hours and the repair lasted a week due to the choice of cheaper delivery and bonding of the adhesive. I am Silvestro. I invite you to like and comment on the video, subscribe to my channel and watch other films.